Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. Good morning. Just waking up. Um, Time right now is probably about 7:15 in the morning. Beautiful sunshine day. It was raining a little bit this morning, but it stopped. Hey, good morning. My name is Jamal. Is this the station in Montego Bay? Yes, I have a flight tomorrow. It said take a test before the flight date. So is that 24 hours or is this a day before? Oh, yes, I'm going back to the US. Yes, I'm flying tomorrow, so I'll come today. Okay, and how much is that, the 50 US? Really? Shit. I thought about the time
That's
of
even better. Where are you located? Because on the website, let me see. Because I'm not sure. I'm in Paradise Acres. Is that close to you? Yeah. Let me have their phone number.
It's a beautiful day, and today I am going to go get my COVID testing done. It's a couple of days before you have to do it. I know the US is like 3 hours, 3 days before your departure flight, but the settings is a little bit different. Like when you're coming back, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some info maybe, and if my info right and the timing right as far as my departure flight is concerned, I'll just go ahead and do my testing today. All right. But America, it's definitely 3 days. Oh my goodness, my eyes. It's definitely 3 days before the flight. So I'm gonna go get ready and do that, and then in the process, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pick up some things. Hopefully, we can even pick up some things. So I'm gonna go do that now. Pick up some of the next stuff I need to bring back today. If I can't pick it up today, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Hopefully I can get that on the vlog because I don't want to take my phone out in there anyway. So if everything looks fine and everything looks clear and safe, but we'll definitely be vlogging some of that. But maybe come back and get some June plum peeled up because I know me have good June plum them, so I go peel up some of them. I don't want to bring them to the skin, so I go peel them there, put them in a bags and pack them and carry them. And then yeah, so COVID testing today it is on road. We're showing us some road view as usual. And hopefully you not like the vlog, so make sure to like, share, subscribe if you're not already. And more vlogs coming, alright? So I try to go on as much as I can. Sometimes I don't pick up the camera to vlog because I feel tired sometimes. But Jamaica it is, so make sure you enjoy the vlogs, alright? girl is on the roof. I have to share the view that we don't know. Oh there. Look on the view that peeps. That's on the roof. See all of that? That's how you wake up to every single morning. The view there. This is a Stellar Award view, yo. For real. Nice. That's the front. This is the back. You can see the highway from here, so. The hospital down there, so. Hospital they're close, you know? Yeah. Nice. Now, when you come on the roof, people, you talk about breadfruit. Have a breadfruit tree. Let me turn it around so they can see.